While Sandy Khumalo is taking us into the breakdown, the root cause of their fallout with her sister, Kelly Khumalo clapped back so fast, like lightning. She was like, you're not gonna say all that about me and I keep quiet. Sandy and Kelly Khumalo's relationship, you can all agree, it has been a roller coaster ride. At some point, they were even talking divorce. Kelly Khumalo was talking about divorcing her sister and stuff like that. And let me tell you, I was the first in my lineage to hear of a sibling talking about divorcing their sibling. A lot happened after that. 1 minute they were together, the next they were not. And recently, Kelly Khumalo made a video talking about how single married women, especially married women in polygamy, are. And social media was buzzing with people saying that she's definitely talking about her sister Sandy.
So, ulihambela kanjani ilunga lomndeni wakho? Owazi kahle ukuthi nuku bloodline eyodwa kusho ukuthi nina ni share idlozi. Hey man. Ngifuna eningicacisela abantwana bedlozi umgadla kanjani umuntu olilunga lomndeni wakho eninedlozi elilodwa. Awugadli yini idlozi lakho? Isn't this shooting yourself on the foot? Because lento yenza ngale imani yenze ngala bese siyahlehla isidalwa sihlehle kuwena uma ngale waye uyagadla kodwa izinto ezimbi zenzeka kuwena. Hayi kahle man, come on, make me understand this. Abanitshela ngani lezinyanga zenu ukuthi you are shooting yourself in the foot. You are self-sabotaging. Ugadla umuntu wakwenu ophethe isidalwa esiphethe wena. Make me understand this. How are they not cautioning you on this? Uthi uyagadla bese kugadleka wena uyibuza uthi hayibo ngiqale ukusebenzisa lo mgadlo kodwa ngathi kunya mina nyi than the other party. You are shooting yourself in the foot.
Now Sandy has come out with a post that seems to be detailing the root cause of the rift between her and Kelly Khumalo. And even though her post is not mentioning names, we all know who she's talking about. We all can read between the lines. She's definitely taking us into the up and down relationship with her sister Kelly Khumalo. Now let's get right into what she said. She was talking about how possible it is for family members to resent you only because you broke generational curses that they thought they will be the ones to break. Find that you're the first one to get married in the family. Even your mother isn't married and you have done it. You're the first one to have a child within marriage, while their children are out of wedlock. They know that for them, marriage is starting to look impossible because they're getting older. Your children carry one surname, their father's, and the father of your children is present in their lives, while for them, there's nothing, dololo. People are generally warmer to you than towards them, and that really bothers them. You find out that your own blood actually resents you privately. They get annoyed even when you do something small. They take it and blow it out of proportion, but the matter actually runs deeper. What's frustrating is that you didn't even ask for these things and you never use these things as a benchmark for your life. You are given these blessings by the Creator and the ancestors without even asking, yet they resent you because they think these things belong to them. Kelly Khumalo clapped back so fast, like lightning. She was like, you're not gonna say all that about me and I keep quiet. She came out guns blazing, seemingly responding to her sister talking about, you can say anything you wanna say about me, child. You can talk about me until dawn. But at the end of the day, just remember that the 14th of February, which is Valentine's Day, is for relationships that are real. Situationships, wait for the 1st of April, which we all know is April Fool's Day. So that's how serious she takes her sister's marriage seemingly. Now let's go over to the comment section and share our thoughts there. Remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.